Hi, and welcome to LiveLeanTV. I'm Jessica Guthrow. We're going to talk today about Live Lean nutrition, what it means for beginners, and how to get started. Hey, so welcome to the LiveLeanTV families. We're so excited if you've just recently found us, but this video might also be helpful to you if you've been following us for a while now, but you don't feel like you really have a grasp on what exactly Live Lean nutrition really means. We're always talking about how important nutrition is to your results, but some people are really confused about, what the rules are, what it means to eat to live lean, and how to do it. So this video is really meant for beginners or anyone who just doesn't really understand it yet and you're not getting the results that you want from your fitness. Let's get started by answering a couple of questions. First of all, what kind of diet do we follow here at LiveLeanTV and all of our programs? What do we recommend that you follow? Is it paleo? Is it keto? Is it vegan? Are any of these diets what we follow? The answer is really no. We don't categorize our diet as anything except living lean. It's non-restrictive. There aren't any rules. We don't exclude any entire food groups. We simply eat for results. So it's result-driven, result-oriented way of eating. But that's different for everyone. You can definitely be paleo, keto, vegan, whatever you want to be, and still live lean. But living lean doesn't mean you have to follow a certain diet. Living lean really is more like a mindset change than a diet. Once you commit to living lean and being a lean person for the rest of your life, then you start focusing on your results, and you notice that your food affects your results. So you make your food choices based on the results that you want to see, and you eat to be sustainably lean forever. Instead of avoiding entire food groups or putting yourself on a short-term restrictive diet, you just make healthy choices in an ongoing way so that you can keep and maintain a lean body for the rest of your life. Now, I know this might sound easier said than done, right? Because if you're not yet as lean as you want to be, you need a way to get started. And that's why so many people are seeking out new and different diets, trying different fads, and putting themselves on diets because they want to see those results that they're craving so badly. The thing with living lean is you will see results, but it might take a little bit longer than going on like a 2-week crash diet. It might take you several months or even a couple of years to achieve those perfect results. But the good thing about taking this time to do it is that the results are going to last a lot longer. So another question you may be asking is, how do I get started on this journey? Like, how do I go from where I am now to getting lean and then living lean? There's really like 3 steps for you to get started. And the first thing I want you to do is to clean up your diet. Now, by clean up, I mean go through your kitchen, take out all of that processed packaged food with too many chemical ingredients, too much sugar in it, and toss it. Just get it out of your way. And then start to stock your house with more single ingredient foods. Things like vegetables and proteins and fruits and seeds and nuts. All the natural stuff that you find in the produce section of your grocery store. You need to start cooking your meals from scratch with real whole food ingredients. So that's the step 1, is not really worrying about calories, macros, any of that stuff yet, but just getting yourself in the habit of frequently shopping and cooking your meals at home. Your second step, after you've cleaned things up and you're focusing on single ingredient healthy whole foods, is to actually set goals and start measuring those healthy foods, because there is a difference between just eating the right food types and eating the right food types in the right amounts for your energy needs. It's all about that energy balance. And when you're trying to get rid of stored fat, you have to make sure that you're not eating too much energy that your body's not actually using. So starting to set those goals, starting to measure, get familiar with calories, with macronutrients, portion sizing, and really setting yourself up a meal plan so you know how much to eat, how many times a day to eat, all of that stuff. And then it's simply just about following. So once you create a meal plan, you know what to eat, you take the guesswork out of everything, and then you just keep going. So the third step to living lean is just to keep on doing what you're doing. When you actually get the results you want, those same habits that got you there are going to keep you there. So you just make a habit out of it, and it becomes normal for you to eat healthy foods in the right amounts for your body. And that's what we call living lean. And that's the best place to be. That's where you have the freedom to live the life that you want in the body that you want. And I've seen this happen for so many of our followers all over the globe. Brad and I have been enjoying it for years now, but it really is a mindset shift. It's not a diet. You have to let go of your old ways of thinking and really adopt a new way of life. So if you have any questions about this that I didn't answer in today's video, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be back to check and answer your questions. And if you're eager to learn everything there is to know about Live Lean Nutrition and do what we call earn your PhD in nutrition, it's all in this course called the Live Lean Way, 28 days to just completely make over the way you eat, your relationship with food, your mindset about food. It's truly a nutrition mindset course. So scroll down, check out the description box because the link is there to go check out the course, learn a little bit more about it, take that action, invest in your future, and enroll and learn the information that you need to get you living lean and keep you that way forever. If you're new to the Live Lean family, then I just want to say a big warm welcome to you, and reach out to us anytime. We're always here to answer your questions and love hearing feedback from you guys. So share this video with anyone you know who'd want to watch it, and I'll see you guys at the next episode. Leave us a thumbs up, watch some more videos, and keep living lean.